Thank you for submitting your email to test the AGXPay Wallet app. Check your inbox for an email from the App Store for iOS users or App Center for the Android users, inviting you to test the app. For iOS users, the first step is to open the email from the App Store Connect and click on Accept Invitation. You will then receive an invitation email from TestFlight. Open it and press on the View in TestFlight button. It's worth noting that this email should arrive sometime between 24 and 72 hours later. Register your account and then download the TestFlight app from the App Store. On the TestFlight app, press the Redeem button on the top right corner. You should have received another email with a code. Copy that code and paste it into the TestFlight Redeem section and install the AGXPay Wallet app. For Android users, the first step is to open the email from the App Center team and click the Accept Invitation button. The next step is to then register your account and then click Download on the Overview page. Take out the device you are going to test it with and scan the QR code. It's worth noting that at some points the device will show a warning message saying that the app does not pass security. Make sure to select Install Anyways. After completing these steps, you will find the app on your device. Open it up and follow the onboarding instructions. Once you are logged on, you will be given Test AGX coins to play around with. Please test the app as much as you can. In other words, click everywhere. This wallet is your oyster. If you notice any issues or glitches that you would like to share as feedback, please join the Load Testers Telegram channel or send a simple email to feedback@load.one. Thank you again for taking the time. Your feedback is paramount to ensuring the Load project moves forward with its mission to restore silver into the hands of the people. The silver money revolution has begun.